Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante and welcome back. Today we're going to go over what is self-cleaning on your oven or range. As we approach the holidays, it's getting a lot closer. You want to kind of clean it in advance with a little manual clean. But what self-clean does is it pretty much exceeds the temperatures that you would normally cook at, going above around 800 to burn off all the food, the grime that's in there. The dangers that you run into that is, especially the closer you get to the holiday, A, it's going to be harder to get a technician out there to look and fix your appliance, but B, you can run the risk of blowing a thermal fuse. On this model over here, we have our thermal fuse in the back, which is going to be this little part here, and this is what goes out with those temperatures. They kind of range, like I said, various temperatures, everything like that is what is going to cause that to go out. High temp, low temp, and then exceeding that 800 degrees, it pretty much doesn't know what to do. It blows, and that's what ruins your oven in that time. So you want to be careful when you're using self-clean. Make sure you can get it as clean as possible to begin with, and then run that so you minimize that chance of anything happening to your unit. Especially, like I said, the closer we get to the holiday season. That's pretty much what self-clean is. It's pretty self-explanatory, just heats up, burns everything off, and gets it as clean as it can. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week for more information. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.